Sadko was a Russian and Soviet icebreaker ship of 3,800 tons displacement. She was named after Sadko, a hero of the Russian bylina. She was built in Newcastle upon Tyne in 1912. The length of the ship was 78 meters and its width was 11.4 meters. The vessel was originally constructed for the Reed Newfoundland Company for the ferry service in Newfoundland and was part of the Alphabet Fleet and christened Lintros. She was sold to the Russian government in 1915. In 1916, she sank in Kantalaksha Bay with a payload for the construction of the Kantalaksha-Murmansk Railroad. In 1932, Sadko was salvaged by the EPRON team, and on July 9, 1934 was on a trial voyage once again. In 1935 she took part in an expedition of the deep-sea research in the Arctic Ocean led by Georgy Ushakov. In the summer of 1937, Sadko sailed from Murmansk. Its original goal was to sail to Henrietta, Joukov and Jeanette Islands in the long group, search for Sannikov Land and carry out scientific research. The purpose of the expedition was also to find out how the Northern Sea route could be used for regular shipping, but the Soviet naval authorities changed the plans and the icebreaker was sent instead to help ships in distress in the Kara and Laptev seas. Sadko, however, became itself trapped in fast ice at 75 degrees 17 N and 132 degrees 28 E in the region of the New Siberian Islands. Other two Soviet icebreakers, Sadko and Maligan, in the same area researching the ice conditions, became trapped by sea ice as well and drifted helplessly, owing to persistent bad weather conditions. Part of the stranded crew members and some of the scientists could only be rescued in April 1938. And only on August 28, 1938, could icebreaker Yermak free two of the three ships stuck at 83 degrees 4 N and 138 degrees 22 E, Sadko and Maligan. The third ship, Sadko, had to be left to drift in its icy prison and was transformed into a scientific polar station. She sank in 1941 in the Kara Sea after running aground on a submerged bank. Her crew were rescued by the icebreaker Lenin. An island in the Northern Skild archipelago was named after Sadko.